sky. Jump, jump, jump.
Today is Sunday. Yeah. What are we doing today?
We're going to Uncle's house. Uncle's
Really?
having a feast.
Wow. Are you going to eat later, Sarah?
Yeah.
What are you going to eat later?
Ah,
Beep beep.
Hey.
Satay. Yay. It's so bright now. It wasn't just now. We are going to have a skewer, chicken skewer, chicken.
It's lamb skewer.
Oh, okay.
Chicken skewer.
We are going to have a skewer party later. Are you going to eat later, Zara? You cannot eat yet. But you're gonna eat rice, okay? Yeah. Are we ready? Let's go! Yay! We are here at Praran. This is going to be a short video. So let's just see what will happen later, what we will eat, what we will do. I'm just gonna update it later. Okay, see you. See you.
Hey, see me.
Hi. The cool thing about this place is it's a house, but it's a shop house, so you can just go up. So wet. Here at Praran. No. You cannot eat that. That's not for you. Yeah, it's not for you. Now Babah is outside with his friends, and Zara and Mommy is here. Oh, what's that, Zara? Wow, what's that? Oh.
I love you. Sing. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and
Underneath the
night.
oh. I love
You. Sing. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, no, mommy.
oh, what's that? Okay, now go. Cover the camera. Can you show Uncle good? Oh, good.
Is it good?
Is it good?
Is it good?
Oh, what's that?
Lebih jeling aja.
Good.
Hey.
Dia lelaki diorang itu Babah ya.
50 kali, bye-bye. Orang tua ni.
Dah 30 juga.
Bang, aku tak baik kena panggil aku abang.
You want your rice? Nah.
Ada cucumber dalam mulutnya. Time to go back. It's already 8, almost 9, I think. Zara is tired. It's gonna be bedtime soon. So I think Zara will sleep in the car shortly. So we didn't manage to play bubbles today because the weather isn't as good.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. It's raining heavily in the evening. Car. You just park here.
Bye car. Bye car.
Bye bye car. What's that? Is that?
There's a bike. Bike.
Look at that. That's Bet's poo. Okay, let's go in. Okay, it's cool. I know you need this beer.
You cold? You cold?
Oh. Untuk ito. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go back. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah. It is now 9 p.m. We are
Yeah.
home. Yay. So that is our short vlog. Hope you enjoy, Zara.
Very big.
Yeah, did you enjoy? Yes. So see you in our next video.
Thank you.